Hello, everyone, and welcome to another exciting episode of Hello Word. I'm Alex, and I'm so glad you're here with me today. We've got a fascinating word to explore, and I think you'll enjoy learning about it. Today's word is acid. Let's dive right in. So, what does acid mean? Well, acid is a noun that refers to a substance with a sour taste that can react with other materials. You might recognize acid from science class, or maybe you've heard about it in terms of food, chemistry, or even the environment. Acid plays an important role in both science and everyday life, and we encounter it more often than we might think. Now, let's talk about some synonyms. A common synonym for acid is acidic substance, which emphasizes the same characteristics of sourness and chemical reactivity. For example, you could say, lemon juice contains an acidic substance that makes it tangy. Another synonym is corrosive, which is often used in chemistry to describe the strong reaction some acids have. For instance, the lab handled a corrosive material with great care. Of course, there are antonyms for acid as well. One antonym is base, which is the opposite in the pH scale and often feels slippery instead of sour. For example, baking soda is a common base used in cooking and cleaning. Another antonym is alkali, which refers to substances that neutralize acids. You might say, mixing an alkali with vinegar creates a chemical reaction. Let's explore how acid shows up in everyday life. If you're cooking, you might use vinegar, which contains acetic acid, to add a sour flavor to your dish. In skincare, products with salicylic acid can help clear up acne. In nature, rain with a higher level of acid can affect the environment, which is often referred to as acid rain. These are just a few examples of how the word acid connects to the world around us. Here are some example sentences using the word acid. The tangy taste of the orange is due to the citric acid it contains. The scientist measured the strength of the acid in the laboratory experiment. Certain plants thrive in soil with a higher acid content. The acid in the cleaning solution helps to remove tough stains. She added a few drops of acid to the mixture to start the reaction. Before we wrap up, let's review. The word acid refers to a substance with a sour taste that reacts with other materials. Synonyms like acidic substance and corrosive share similar meanings, while antonyms like base and alkali highlight contrasting properties. You'll find acid in everything from food and science to skincare and nature. Thank you so much for tuning in today. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave us a review. Your support helps others discover Hello Word. I'd also love to hear your own sentences using the word acid. Share them in the comments, and let's keep the conversation going. Until next time, I'm Alex, and this has been Hello Word. Keep learning and exploring new words every day.